everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Waffles can be sweet and savory, and today I'll be making a special one. I'll be making cheesy waffle sandwich. So come, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is of course make the waffle batter. So for that I have some plain flour here, maida, refined flour. To this we'll add some crushed black peppercorns, freshly crushed. And then goes the salt and some baking soda. So what we'll do now is just whisk it so that everything gets mixed well. So this is your dry ingredients. Now we're going to make a well in the center and break in the eggs. Let's just whisk the eggs first. And to this, now let's add some buttermilk. A little at a time, and keep mixing in between so that you get a nice lump-free batter. So the batter is now ready. I'm going to set it aside to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's just preheat the waffle machine and get to the stuffing as well. So I've kept the waffle machine to preheat, and now let's get to the stuffing. The first thing we're going to do is grate some cheddar cheese. So grate generous portion of cheddar cheese. As you can see, the texture is crumbly. I think this is enough. So the waffle machine is ready. Let's just grease it with some oil. We're going to oil both the sides, the bottom and the top. So let's close it. So this is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to happen. So while that's happening, let's make the stuffing or the topping. We're making an open sandwich, and for that, so what I've done is I have boiled the potatoes with some turmeric and some salt, and I've peeled and mashed it. Let's take that in a bowl. And we are adding some spring onion bulbs, and of course the green as well, the spring onion greens, and some salt of course. Let's add some red chili flakes, and I'm adding dried mixed herbs and some freshly crushed black peppercorns. Let's just mix this well. So this is done. So we got the grated cheese, the topping, and let's check on the waffle as well. Wow, this is looking nice. This is exactly the color that I like to make. So what I'm going to do now is, because the waffle is hot, we're going to sprinkle cheddar cheese. So in the heat of the waffle, the cheese will start to melt. Now let's add the potato mixture and spread it. Now what I'm going to do is just apply some oil on the top and close this. Sounds so nice. So we're going to let this cook for about a minute, not more than that, till the potatoes become slightly brown and has a nice crust. Now let's check on the cheesy waffle. Wow, this is looking really nice. Like I said, it has a nice golden brown. This is perfect, and now this is good to be served. So the waffle is now ready. You can serve it as it is, but I'm going to cut it into 4. And the stuffing is soft and the cheese is melted beautifully. So the plate can hold only 3, so this one is for me. So there you have it, a cheesy waffle sandwich is ready. This could be a great breakfast or a snack. So do try out this recipe, and trust me, you are going to fall in love with it.